I am Anbumani, Senior GM Business Development Isha Homes. Presently we are doing 4 projects, 2 in Chennai and one at Coimbatore and one at Trichy. And one upcoming project we are coming in Chennai. In Chennai presently 2 projects, 2 prestigious projects we are doing. One is called Isha Mia Villas. You can see the elevation behind me. This is the first gated community villa project in Chennai which got pre-certified platinum rating. The another project which we are doing at Alwarpet, it's high-end project again. And one project we are doing in Coimbatore, it's in Vilangurchi area, it's around 100 apartments. And one we are doing at Trichy, it's 165 apartment in Dindigul Road, Trichy. Apart from that, we are coming on new project near Poru, from Yacht Hospital, around 400 kilometers. It's a village called Kolabakam. There we are coming with 216 apartments. We got a approval from CMDA. In another 2-3 months, we will launch that project.
Amenities available in
The special amenities in the Isha Mia Villas, world-class amenities available, like start from swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor games, multipurpose hall, basketball court, tennis court. Very rarely you can find any project which is having a basketball court. I don't think so any project is having basketball court. They are giving the basketball court inside. More than that, we have done 1.5 meter by 1.5 meter tunnel either side of the road of the entire community. It's around 2 kilometers will come. It's a kind of improvised from earlier project to this project. It will have a 2-level, lower level will have a rainwater drainage, and upper level will have all service lines. And every 20 feet we will have further 1.5 meter depth, 1 meter dia of rainwater harvesting. It will have a capacity of holding 2 lakhs litre within the community. Beyond that, any surplus water will going out. So that's how we done. It is a very innovative thing in this Chennai project. Any villa project we are going. As of now, it is not available. That innovation we have brought on that. That is one of the key point. We got the platinum rating for that project. And we are also giving a solar panel to all the houses, which will give the 2 kVA power backup. It will run 4 hours without sunlight. As far as sunlight is there, it will run straight away. 2 kVA supply will be available. We are giving solar water heater to all the 3 bathrooms. It will cater all the 3 bathrooms. One of the innovative thing we are doing the solid waste management also within the community. Normally STP plant will do all the project, but we are doing the solid waste management also inside. And water, we are softening the water plant. Moreover, we are giving a bicycle to the each houses. You know, bicycle cost is very less. People may not buy the bicycle, but we promoting the health and keep the community healthy. We thought we will give this bicycle to promote them to use the inside. At least it's a pollution free, the community we can make it. So something we do to the society. And we are putting a 2 windmill. It will take care of the common lights, 50% of the common light as well as the clubhouse. So these are the main features available there. So we did similar kind of project in Medavakam earlier. It's called Isha's Signature Villas. Even it got 2 awards for the best gated community award. So resulting that we got this project, and landowner voluntarily came us saying that I like your project, you do the similar kind of project. OMR, we could say now, as of now, it's oversupply in terms of apartment. Occupancy rate is less. Occupancy rate is less as of now. But down the line, it has to be pick up. No other structured road, or structured stretch is available in Chennai. We can say Bangalore Highway, GST. But definitely, since a lot of IT companies are located there, one day it will go up. Today it may not be, but definitely it will go up. If you are putting the right price and right location, definitely there is no problem to sell. That is the key point. Where you are putting the project, what bracket you are targeting, that is the main thing. And delivery. Timely delivery. If you are giving a project, if you have a project already delivered, if your customers are happy, then the same customer will bring the new customer. That is the key point in real estate.
Thank you.
Thank you.